Do you currently own a house that needs some repair? Like you've let it go over the years. Now you're starting to run into some issues. You're getting that anxiety built up inside of you in your chest, in your head, in your mind. And you're like, how am I gonna afford to fix all this stuff? Like, am I ever going to be able to sell this property come the day that I need to get out of here, or I can no longer stay in here? And what I'm about to go over in this video kind of describes a scenario and situation that you might be facing that we can potentially help you out of. And my name's Carter. I'm owner of CB Home Solutions, and what we do is we purchase properties from owners who the house might be in a little bit of disrepair, or they might just no longer want the property. So as you can tell right now, I'm in my home office and I'm making this video for you. But specifically what I'm referring to, and I'll give you an example right now. So we just helped an individual. They lived in the property for about 13, 14 years. And over the course of that time, it's been a great property for them, everything like that. But there started to be repairs amounting. There was like a little thing, and then a little bit bigger thing, and a bigger thing, and a bigger thing. And as you can kind of tell, it's a domino effect. And then the more money you keep sticking into the property, you're never going to get it out. Like that's one thing with home ownership is no one tells you that, yeah, a roof costs $10,000, a new kitchen costs $7,500, or a new bathroom $7,500. Like there's all these expenses that you won't be able to get that money out of it. And the cost of labor keeps going up each and every day, so it's difficult to really win on purchasing property that you're going to live in. So why I'm making this video and why I'm showing this to you is because this individual owner, she thought that basically she was lost. She really wanted to move into an apartment. She didn't want to own a house anymore. But because her house is in such disrepair, she didn't know what to do. And then she saw a video like this that I'm showing you right now. And she was like, wow, maybe these guys can help me. So what did she do is she went on our website, flipfoxvalley.com, scrolled through our information, looked and researched a little bit more, because that's what normal people do. They research the company before submitting anything and make sure it's not a scam and everything like that. And we have a ton of information on our site in order for you to do that research. But she went through everything, and then she decided to go back to our homepage and filled out the form that says get a cash offer now, or get a cash offer in 24 hours. It says something like that. But it required her property address, her phone number, and her email address. So what did I do once I received that notification? I gave her a call. I just wanted to see what's going on, how we can help out. Flash forward to 30 days later, and actually like just about a week ago, we ended up purchasing the property from her. She was ecstatic. Like she no longer had to worry about the place. We went in there. It needs a lot of work, but it is what it is. That's what our job is, and that's why we purchase property, because we remodel it and resell it and try to make a profit. But she was able to move into that apartment that she wanted. She no longer has any housing responsibility, doesn't have to go mow the lawn, doesn't have to replace the roof, the plumbing, the light fixtures, the miscellaneous stuff. She can just come home, pack up her things, go wherever she wants, and that's it. So if this scenario applies to you, if this sounds familiar, something familiar to what you're going through right now, we might be the next best option. So what I'm asking you to do today, if you think that we might be able to help you out, just go to flipfoxvalley.com or follow the link down below. You can scroll through all the information, check us out, see if we're a legitimate company or not. Check out our free resources. I have a bunch of videos in there explaining what we do and how we do it. But if you want to take the next steps in the process and be like, Carter, let's have a conversation about possibly selling my house, or how much you guys can pay for it. Fill out the form that again requires your property address, your email address, and then your phone number. And then I'll reach out to you. I'll have a quick conversation, see what's going on, see if we can help you out, or if we wouldn't be the right fit, I can point you in the right direction. Or if you're more comfortable, give our office line a call, whichever is easiest. You'll find that on our website. But I look forward to being able to talk with you if you think we can help out. I really do look forward to the conversation. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very soon. Thanks.